In this video, I will show you how to quickly extract the last name from the full name in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here I have an Excel sheet containing the full names. Now what I want to do is to extract the last name from it in this column. The simplest way to do that is by using the Excel flash fill functionality. Just type the last name manually in the first cell and then hit the enter key. Now press the Ctrl and E shortcut keys for the flash fill. As you can see, Excel has filled all the last names automatically. Sometimes flash fill does not work as expected. So let's use another method to extract the last name. For example, here I have full names in this column. Some of the names are in the first name and last name format, while others contain middle names as well. To do that, copy all these names to this column. Now select all the cells and then press the Ctrl and H keys on the keyboard to open the Find and Replace dialog box. What we want to do is to find the last space character in the name and replace everything before that with an empty string so that only the last name remains. So type an asterisk character and then the space character. Here the asterisk character is a wildcard that matches with any number of characters. When used together with a space character, it means that find any number of characters ending in a space character. So for this full name, this part of the name will match, and for this name, this will match. Leave the replace with text box empty because we want to remove the matched part from the full name. As you can see, regardless of the full name format, we now have all the last names extracted properly. Watch this video to learn how to quickly convert negative numbers to positive numbers in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.